channel. So today's video is all about my long high-low drawstring ponytail. These are really popular right now, and I just wanted to create a video showing you that it is possible to achieve this look with a drawstring ponytail. Today's ponytail is from ebonyline.com, so don't skip over the description box to get your hands hooked up on this 32-inch long bone straight ponytail. Let's get into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, girl, we're going to be doing another ponytail style of drawstring ponytail, if you will. Another drawstring ponytail. Now this one is from ebonyline.com. I just got finished positioning where I want my ponytail. We're going to do a high-low style ponytail. I've only done a low ponytail with a drawstring only like once on my channel, so we're revisiting the high-low ponytail, and I have it right here. I was just opening it, taking a look. It's still kind of connected to the pack, but girl, this is it right here. Okay, how is she still attached? Oh, girl, the net is still on it. There we go. But this is the drawstring here. She is bone straight. I normally get the color number 2. They didn't have a number 2, so I opted for 1B. That's the next best thing for me. I love my dark colors. Colors are cool and all, but it's just really not my thing. I just like to stick with the natural colors, and plus I can't wear fruity colors to work in my hair. I can't get away with that. It's against the rules, okay? So yeah, I always get it in natural colors. It just works best for me. This is 32 inches long. So once I get it on, okay, I'm gonna stand up and show it to you. High-low ponytail. I've already started to position my ponytail where I want it. I don't have any product or anything on it. My hair is still kind of wet. I haven't even blow dried it yet. Yeah, and my hair is relaxed. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start attaching our ponytail and our pre-wrap, and you know, getting our gel on, making it look all nice and neat and in place. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. These are the things you are going to need. You're gonna need your little edge brush or what have you, and some gel, perhaps hair ties and bobby pins, hair pins, whatever you call them, to attach and secure the components of this ponytail. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start smoothing it out with my brush and comb. I like it to be as sleek and slick as I can get it. And my hair is still damp. It's just been air drying because I relaxed it earlier. I like to do my ponytails after fresh relaxers. It gives me a sleeker look. Okay, so right about here is where I want my ponytail. Okay? You can pretty much use whatever type of gel you like. This is just what I have right now. Alright, so now I'm going to take the hair tie and put it in a ponytail, girl. Alright guys, now that I have my ponytail in place, I feel like this is a good place for my high-low ponytail. Okay, here. Now I'm ready to hit it with the blow dryer a little bit to harden the gel, or you can just tie it down if you want. I'm just going to go ahead and hit it with the blow dryer. And I'm going to go ahead and ball my hair up so that it fits into the drawstring. Yeah, so now I'm ready for the blow dryer. This is the blow dryer that I'm going to be using today. Girl, this is new to my hair care collection. I absolutely love this. You can pick this up from Amazon. It's so reminiscent of the Dyson blow dryer, but this one is so sleek and so powerful, so cute. I just love the way it looks. It just looks so high-tech, girl. But this is what we're going to be using, and it works like a pro. I mean, super duper good ionic blow dryer. I love it. Like I said, the direct link will be down below in the description box should you decide to check this bad boy out. And it does come with other attachments to it as well. But I'm going to go ahead and dry my ponytail. Just like I do any other ponytail, I'm going to take some of my Connect-A-Line braiding hair to wrap around the base of my ponytail to give it a more styled look, to make it look like we went to the salon to get this done. I just love the way this looks on my high ponytails as well as my low ponytails. This just gives your ponytail a more sleeker, elevated look. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take some of this and wrap it around the base of the ponytail here, just to hide the ponytail wrapper. And like I said, it just makes the ponytail just looks that much more sleek and more put together. Just regular braiding hair. And I'm going to take just about this much. Alright, and this is where we're going to need our pins to pin it down. I keep pins right here in my vanity. Just some bobby pins like these. You get these from the beauty supply store, okay? Order some pins when you order your ponytail and your Connect-A-Line hair from ebonyline.com, because that is where I ordered today's items. Alright, I want to go ahead and pull out any flyaways that we might have in here. Just like that. So easy. I've been doing this for years and I absolutely love it. Love the way it makes my hair look when I have my hair in ponytails. Just as good as any other ponytail created with bundles, but we did it at home ourselves for way less. It works really well because I normally hate using a lot of pins. I don't like a lot of pins sticking me in my scalp. Alright, so this is how it looks once you're done. This is how your pre-wrap is going to look. Okay. Alright girl, now that we have everything in place the way we want it, it is time to apply the drawstring ponytail, okay? Let's go ahead and put it on. Okay, so this is the drawstring ponytail. In case you're not familiar as to what a drawstring ponytail looks like, okay, this is what it looks like. You have a comb up top and one at the bottom, and you have the drawstring. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Okay. This is just about how wide I'm going to need it. Okay, so I'm going to start with the first set of combs right here, and I'm going to insert it right here, right where my finger is pointing at the top of my ponytail. Okay, we're not going to stick it down into the base of our ponytail, in front of our ponytail. That's what we don't want. That gives you a less realistic look, and we all know your ponytail ain't sprouting from right there. That ain't cool. That ain't cute. Okay, Alright, so now that I have my real hair tucked inside of the little pocket, make sure that it's all tucked in. Now I'm going to grab the bottom comb and stick it in the bottom of the ponytail. You know what? Okay, yeah, at the bottom. And now I'm going to grab the string and pull it tight. Close this baby up. Just like that. Alright. And she's tucked. Now, oh, I wonder what color was this hair I used. Girl, that might have been a number 4. It is a lot more browner. I don't know if it appears that way, but under these lights, I can see that it's more brown than my ponytail, but you get the idea. But this is how you attach the drawstring ponytail. And because this is a low ponytail, it's going to be even easier to conceal the rest of the string. Now you can put it inside the pocket of the drawstring ponytail. Normally what I do is just tuck it back underneath. Or you can just pin it down. I'm just going to tuck it under. Because I don't know how long I'm going to have this on tonight. If I'm going to keep it on, but I definitely wanted to show you that this style can be done with a drawstring ponytail and it will be cute. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and stand up and let you see how long this pony is. She is too cute. I'm absolutely loving this look. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, girl, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in the next video, and there will definitely be another video. Bye.